Hi, this is the VIVO S17 and I'll show you how to customize audio option on this device. First, open the Settings app and then tap to Lock Screen and Wallpaper. Click to Always on Display and you could activate or turn off the audio option by click to the switcher. We got here Offscreen Styles and we could use them just by select one from the available just tabs. For example, let's select one from them. You could switch also the color of the text and to add the backgrounds, for example, just some patterns. I'll use this one. Tap to apply on the right upper corner. We could see that this time applied successfully. We could also switch here the display mode to show it like the all day, to set the shadow, the start, the end time, to move the device slightly to display the audio option, and also we could activate or turn off some notifications from any just from these applications by select one from the available checkbox here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.